Welcome back to this video. Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make zip file in mobile without any stress. So let's make. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your browser. So I'm going to use Chrome browser in this particular tutorial. You can use any type of browser to get it done. Okay, all you have to do is to make sure you follow the step in this video. After you open up your browser, next thing you want to do is to make use of your address bar right here. So it's to simply type in cantingcharacter.com. So you can see the website URL right here, cantingcharacters.com. Okay, so having to cantingcharacter.com, then click on search. So in a few minutes, it's going to take you to this particular page. What you want to do next is to simply click on this first result right here, cantingcharacter.com. That is the official web URL. Okay, now in a few seconds, it takes you to the official web page of cantingcharacters.com. On getting to the site, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this three slider, just like so. It takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on Other Tools. Just like so. Then you have to simply scroll down right here, and then you have to navigate to Zip Maker Online. Click on that, just like so. It's going to take you to this particular page. Then what we want to do is to simply scroll down and then upload your file. Your file can be JPEG, audio file, image, or video, as the case may be. You can compress them into a zip file folder using this particular website. So let's see how we upload file into the site. So what we want to do next is to simply click on Choose File right here. So choose File. Then from your phone gallery, you have to locate your file. So I'm going to simply click on my Downloads file right here to access my file, just like so. Then, like I said, it can be video or it can be JPEG. So I'm going to add video and JPEG file into this folder. So I have a JPEG file right here, which is this one. I'm going to choose this particular JPEG file right here. Then once you select the photo, you have to wait and allow it to load up on the site. It's very fast, easy, and free. Next thing we want to do is to click on Choose File again. This will allow us to add multiple files. So this time around, we can simply add video file. So I'm going to go to my download. This allows me to access to my files on my phone. Then right here, I'm going to simply add video file. So I'm going to choose this particular video file right here. So I'm going to choose this particular video file right here. Just like so. Then we have to wait for the second file to load up successful on the site. Once everything loads up successful on the site, then we can simply proceed to make save and download. In a few seconds, we're going to get our zip file without any stress. So let's check it out. So after I successfully upload the two files, so you can see the first file right here and the second file right here. What we want to do next is to simply click on Make Zip and Download. So downloading, in a few seconds, we'll get our download folder. We can simply click on Open right here. Then we have access to our zip file right here. So basically, this is how to simply make a zip file in your mobile without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.